Found it. It's rough. First step to bringing her back.
This old Harley was just sitting there, covered in dust, waiting to be reborn.
Well, we've got our work cut out for us, but she's worth it.
Found it. It's rough. Yeah, that frame's still solid, but everything else is gone. There.
Careful of the rust.
Watch the rear tire.
You ever think about the bikes that never made it back?
See what I mean?
Yeah.
The rust is pretty bad on this tank,
Yeah, and the engine chrome is heavily oxidized.
but the frame geometry is still solid.
Nothing we can't handle.
All right, let's get into this. Looks pretty seized up. Careful with it.
Yeah, a lot of rust.
Got the tray ready.
All right, time to get these off. They're seized up pretty good.
Careful with that header, don't want to break it.
I got it. Just need a little leverage.
All right, time to tackle this engine cover. It's been a while since this bike saw a wash. Yeah, look at this rust. Let's get that polish on there and see what we can do. All right, easy there. Now, just a little further. Got it. Now for the final tighten. Looks good. Another step closer. Let's get this engine looking right. Starting with these cylinders. That foam is working wonders. Where I like that. Looks like this wire is completely shot. Yeah, we'll need to run a new one from the solenoid. Time for the leather treatment. Looks like it's taking the rust off. Yeah, gotta go slow and easy. Good. Let me wipe that down. All right, got the old one out. Here's the new one. Compression's good. Looks like she's worth saving. All right, let's bring this beauty back to life. All right, keys in. Ready? Do it. First try. Hell yeah. All right, second attempt.
Let's do it.
There she is. Good as new. Excellent work. Now the rest. All right, let's start with this corner.
Looking good, it's really lifting.
Just need to get this last bit off.
Nice work. Looking better already. Let's finish this area. Just need to get this last bit here. Looking good.
Still in rough shape,
Yeah, a lot of rust.
but the engine's got heart.
There's something about bringing steel back to life.
All right, second coat done. Let's see how it holds up.
Oh, man, that's beautiful. Looks brand new.
Looks perfect. Bring in the towel. Got it. Looks like new. Second coat going down smooth. Looking good. Nice coverage. Just need to feather these edges, then we'll hit it with the clear.
Looks perfect. We nailed this.
Yeah, we did. You satisfied?
Yeah, I am.
We did good.
Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. It's ready.
All right, this is the one we've been waiting for.
Yeah?
It needs a lot of work. We'll start with the engine first.